In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and log into Notion, as well as how to transcribe meetings using Notion's built-in AI features. If you've ever wanted to capture meeting notes efficiently, this is the perfect guide for you. Let's get started and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open Notion. You can do this by launching the Notion app on your desktop or heading over to the Notion website in your browser. Once you're there, log in with your account credentials. If you're new to Notion, take a moment to create an account. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll see your workspace with all your pages and notes organized on the sidebar. Next, navigate to the page where you want your meeting transcript to be saved. This can be an existing page, or you can create a new one specifically for your meeting notes. It's a good idea to name the page after the meeting topic or date, so you can easily find it later. Now that you're on the correct page, click on a blank line to start a new entry. Simply type a / followed by the word meet, and then press enter. This shortcut brings up a variety of meeting-related tools powered by Notion's AI. Look for the option that says AI Meeting Notes in the menu that appears. Go ahead and click on that. With the AI Meeting Notes section added to your page, you're ready for the main event, transcribing your meeting. As soon as your meeting or audio session begins, you'll notice an option to start transcribing. Click the Start Transcribing button to begin capturing everything that's being discussed. This will cue Notion's AI to listen in and take notes for you in real time. The first time you use this feature, you might see a prompt asking for permission to access your microphone and system audio. Be sure to grant these permissions. Otherwise, Notion won't be able to capture the audio from your meeting. Let the meeting proceed while Notion does the work of transcribing. You'll see the notes being generated right on your page as the conversation happens. When the meeting is over or you're ready to stop recording, simply click the Stop button. That's it. Your meeting transcript will be saved directly on your Notion page, making it super easy to review or share with your team later. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to keep detailed, accurate records of your meetings using Notion's AI features. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.